Hello everyone! Today, I have listed the best Black Friday vacuum cleaner deals for you. You can find links to the vacuum cleaners in the description section below. Let's get started. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner was $123.59, now $81.49 at Amazon. Bissell's portable carpet cleaners are the unsung heroes of holiday sales like Black Friday, and the highly rated Little Green model is now available for just $81.49. This compact powerhouse is a game changer for pet owners and parents, effortlessly tackling spills and stains on carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more. Tineco iFloor 2 Blue Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum/Mop was $149, now $99 at Walmart. The highly rated Tineco Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum and Mop combo is now at its lowest price ever, just $99 during Walmart's Black Friday sale. The Tineco iFloor 2 makes cleaning effortless by vacuuming and washing hard floors simultaneously, tackling wet and dry messes in a single sweep. Dyson V12 Cordless Vacuum was $649.99, now $399.99 at Walmart. Dyson cordless vacuums are always a Black Friday favorite, and this year Walmart has the powerful Dyson V12 marked down to a record low price of $399.99. Ideal for pet owners, the V12 features a detangling motor bar that effortlessly transitions between hardwood floors and carpets. Plus, it transforms into a handheld vacuum for quick, hassle-free cleanups. Bissell CleanView Compact Vacuum Cleaner was $79.99, now $64.99 at Amazon. The ultra-light Bissell CleanView Vacuum is a perfect fit for small spaces, thanks to its compact and easy-to-store design. Despite its size, it packs powerful suction and a triple-action brush roll that effortlessly tackles pet hair. Right now, Amazon's early Black Friday deal drops its price to a record low $64.99. Shark Navigator Lift-Away XL Upright Vacuum was $199.99, now $97 at Walmart. A bestseller from last year's Walmart Black Friday sale, this upright vacuum is back at its lowest price ever, just $97. Designed to work seamlessly on both carpets and hard floors, it features innovative lift-away technology, allowing you to easily lift the pod for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Don't miss this incredible deal. Onson Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop Combo was $3,669.99, now $109.99 at Walmart. If you're looking for a robot vacuum and mop combo, this deal is a game changer. The Onson Robot Vacuum tackles carpets and hardwood floors with ease. Once vacuuming is complete, the 230-milliliter water tank seamlessly transitions to mopping, giving you spotless floors without the hassle. At just $109, this is a steal that's tough to beat this Black Friday season. Shark Matrix 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop was $379.99, now $188 at Walmart. A Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop for just $188? That's an amazing deal. Known for reliability, this Shark model offers powerful suction combined with a sonic mop, making it perfect for cleaning hard floors efficiently. With Amazon Alexa compatibility, you can control it effortlessly via the Shark app or voice commands, bringing convenience and smart tech to your cleaning routine. iRobot Roomba J 7 Plus 7550 Robot Vacuum was $799, now $359 at Best Buy. Don't miss this massive $440 discount on the advanced iRobot Roomba J 7 Plus. Renowned for its powerful dirt pickup on carpets and hard floors, this robot vacuum also features self-charging and a convenient self-emptying bin. While it's slightly noisy and may struggle with larger debris, it remains a top-tier option for effortless cleaning at an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.